Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Paris, like you know, and it's my birthday today. And I got some presents that I'm gonna open now. It's like pasta puzzle. It's sort of like pasta puzzle. It's fun. I knew you got this from TK Maxx. If it was headphones. This is heavy. I feel like this is something for exercising or something. Has flowers on it. I think this is probably from Mommy. Is that from you? Yeah. Yay. I used to have these before. I used to have this. Hey, I like the nail polish. I like this purple one and the orange one and the pink one because they're my favorite colors. Yay! I like it.
Oh.
Makeup. So you look the same. I'm gonna do my card now.
Which one is that from?
Nanapa, I think. Nanapa?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what it says. Oh, that's so cute.
That's cute.
It's so cute.
Can I read it?
Happy birthday, 6 today. Wishing you a very special happy birthday.
That's
Alright,
cute.
open. I'm gonna hide it right here. Oh my god. $100. What?
Oh. Wow, Paris. Oh my god, how lucky.
What? $100 inside the car.
What do you say to Nanipa?
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Nanipa 2000. Happy 6th birthday. Wishing you a day that's as special as you are, with lots of love. I don't know what that says.
Lots of love, Nanpa. Love you.
It's time to do this one. Can you open it?
Please?
Please? This is my last present. It's so big. This is from MALAKING. And I got math. I love math.
Oh my goodness.
I love math.
That's so cool.
Ooh, fashion. Fashion stickers. Wait, is that stickers? Why is there another card in here?
That's MALAKING.
Oh, yeah. The other one was from...
What's that?
This.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh, yay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, yay. There's 2 of them. One for me, one for Celine. That's so cool. And a big one. This is like the same one I get to Luca.
Yeah.
This is a card. I got a big card. I already started it. Ooh, it's a pirate. This is a cool one. That's big.
That's big, yeah. Read it. Read it.
Oh, yeah. Happy 6th birthday, girl power. There's $50 in there.
Alright, so let's go.
Oh my god, Daddy, have a look. It's not even 50.
Huh?
It's not just 50.
100.
Oh, it's got $200. Paris. Can I have some?
Such a lucky girl.
What? You don't.
It's not Paris.
It's your Mama. It's yours.
I didn't ask for it. Because that's a sneaky guy.
I'll give some to
6th,
Louis.
happy. Oh, it's your day to shine. 6th, happy birthday, dear Paris. Hope your day is full of fun and adventure. Happy 6th birthday. I love you to the mom and moon. And back. Love, Lola, Karen, Jet. What? Jet? Jeff. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Yay. What do you say to Lola Karen?
Thank you, Lola, Karen. Yay, I got so much money. Yeah, this is the big one. I'm gonna to open this one last.
It's just the last Paris.
What?
Saving it just for last.
I do it this way.
Does that make you feel special?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a big one. That's a lovely one now. Yay!
Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is Ate Paris's birthday and it's nearly 3 o'clock, so pick upin natin siya sa school. Naready na natin ang ating baby Celine. Where are we going? Where are we going? Pick up Ate Paris. So, kaninang umaga nakita nyo na nag-unbox siya ng kanyang mga regalo. And this one here, binili ko to siya online and tamang-tama dumating guys. Today. So, yeah. Tago ko to baka suotin ito ni Baby Sil. Ito yung binili ko para kay, kay Baby Sil. Para sa, yeah. Para sa kanyang,
Oh my god!
oh my God!
Oh my god!
Oh! Irarap ko lang siya, guys. Oh! Irarap ko siya para maibigay ako sa kanya mamaya pag-pick up natin sa kanya. Kasi ito binili ko talaga para pagkita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Oy, pag naano na niya. Hello! This is so cute. Pag na-open na niya. Hindi ko pa talaga nakita guys. May mga plastic sa loob.
Open?
Yeah. Oh, okay. So this one is for Lainey. So kahit bumili ako ng regalo para kay Paris guys para sa kanyang birthday.
Just for the birthday.
Yeah, kailangan ko ring bilhan tong maliit kasi kukunin man niya sa kanyang ate. Hang on, this is yours. Oh my goodness. Show tita, dito. Oh! Lily! What's that?
Come on.
Camera. What do you say to mama?
Thank you.
Thank you. Who?
Mommy.
Very cute. Show. This is the charger. It's okay. It's just a charger. Show tita, dito. There. Oh my god. Look at this. We'll turn it on.
It's not working.
Oh, this is another one. Look, Lane. Which one would you like? Pink or purple?
Paper.
Purple. Wow, so beautiful naman. Look. So beautiful. Yay! What do you say to mama?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome, sweetie girl.
Mommy, I enjoy.
A few moments later.
Hi guys.
The birthday girl is here now. Umuulan guys, kaya tingnan yung buhok. Tumakbo kami. Show me what you got from your teacher.
Oh, yeah.
Meron daw binigay yung teacher niya for her birthday.
That's for my teacher.
That's for your teacher?
For my teacher. I find.
What is that, Shimi?
So I got this. Oops. I got this invitation from my teacher.
Ah, Happy birthday to Paris from 1CE.
There's your phone.
Wow, that's cool.
And then you took
Sticker as well?
and a pencil.
Oh, did you say thank you?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good job, honey. Come on, sit down na. So we can go
Irene's.
to Irene's.
Yay!
You happy? Pumunta kami ng bakery, guys, dyan. And naging kaibigan na namin yung dyan, diba? So, sabi ko, yeah. I said, where's the kid? Yeah, in the car. Sabi ko, it's her birthday today. And binigyan niya kami ng free. Oh my God, yum! Almond cookie.
Almond cookies. I love almond cookies.
Oh my goodness.
Want some? Cookies?
Yeah.
I like this.
Oh! Soft? Mmm.
It's like cracking up already.
Ang harap. Bumili pa ako ng iba. I bought like some bun, honey, so we can bring to Irene's. She said, happy birthday, tell Paris.
Okay, so we're gonna open the other present.
Naka-park lang namin sa harap ng bahay ni na Irene. So, bibigay ko na kay Ate Paris yung kanyang,
Some special gift. Okay. I wonder what this is. So first we're gonna do this one. I wonder what it is. Oh, this is so cute. Let me see, Auntie. It's a camera. Let me see.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. This little chain. Let me see.
Oh, let me see. I will show you, okay?
Put that in there. And a camera. That's so cute. It's so cute. I want to get that out. How do I get this out? Just here.
Leaning. Hang on, Ate will help you with your seatbelt.
And this one. This is so cute. And
Don't take it off.
why?
Don't take it off yet.
And this cute camera. It has a little animals on the front. Can I turn it on?
Try it.
Okay, let's see if it works. Yay, that's work. Okay, I see. Take a photo.
Yeah, try
Wait,
to
how do you
photo.
take photo? Oh, there we go. That's cool.
That's so nice. Look. Look at them. That is so nice. Look at that. You don't just like take lang, okay?
Okay.
You take nice ones. Is that cool? Do you like that?
Wait, what do I do now?
Yeah, you can-
Pull it?
Yeah, like this.
Yay.
See?
I love it.
Take photo, Lini. Take photo, Lini.
Nini, take a photo.
Say smile.
Smile.
Look!
And we got it down because I wonder what this
Yeah,
is.
tignan, sinabi ko nga guys. So, gustong kunin ng maliit yung
Oh, I
camera
think
ng
I
ating-
know what this is. A watch.
Yes. Okay, come on, kasi waiting. Come on.
Okay, I'll open this inside.
Put it on your
Neck.
Yeah, that's how you know this. There you go. What do you say to mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Happy
I love
birthday, my
you.
love. I love you too, my love.
Me, this is
I hope you're
mine.
happy. Good job, Ate. Wow, well done. Take a photo lang. Okay, smile to Ate. Gila mo, Ma? Okay, wait lang. Ay, hina. Did you get it?
It's funny. It's
Oh no. There's no head. This camera is so cool.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so it's my birthday, like you know, and I said I try to have one for dinner, and it's pizza, my favorite thing to eat for dinner. And that's my favorite thing to eat. So let's go! I get to bring my camera.
Nandito kami sa Hawthorne, guys. Yan yung cinema. So, dyan lang. Yup. Sa harapan. Meron silang pizza because at Paris
Cinema.
pizza for tonight. How old are you, ate? Ate, how old are you?
6.
Yeah.
I'm 6.
Marinara. Gusto na yung buhok ko. Ba?
Right. What do you want?
We got the garlic bread. Oh. Okay, ask lang.
Thank you.
Capricciosa, and we got margarita. That looks very
Daddy,
nice.
you gave me.
Dini, do you want to sit next to Daddy?
Sit here so you can eat your food.
Oh, look at that. I like that one. I like that one. Yummy?
No chance you're getting yours.
Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. But, kumuha kami ng ice cream kasi birthday. Ice cream. Sobrang ganda naman ang setup dito. Looks like church.
You got a tenner? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mother Princess. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Say thank you.
No worries. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
For you guys.
Look at this shit. Really